Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a GHL page element slider. Okay, so you can see in this demonstration we have a slider, okay, here, and it's actually automatically scrolling, and you can also scroll this by clicking this arrow button. Okay, so let me show you step by step how you can set up this GHL page element slider by using GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, so here this is actually the code snippets page, okay, where you can generate the code for this type of slider, and also you can see the preview by clicking this button here. So let me show you step by step. Okay, so first of all, in your GoHighLevel page you need to create all the slides element. Like in this example I have the card, the column. Okay, I have 9 different columns in a 3 different rows. So I want to make each of this column as a slider, okay, slide elements. So it will work with any other elements in GoHighLevel, but in this example I am showing you by sliding all these cards. Okay, so I already designed this, so you need to do the same, and then just copy the CSS ID for each of the slides. Like for this card, okay, just select this and then go to the style, and at the bottom you will see the CSS selector. Okay, so just copy this copy button and go back to the GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, let me reload the page. Well, yeah, so now I need to add 9 different slides element. Like in this example you can see we have 9 different cards, so we need to do the same here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I think I added all 9. Or you just need to click this add item button and it will add the elements here. Okay, so now for each of the item column ID, put your column ID and make sure that you just remove the pound sign. Okay, just only put the column, okay, col, and other element that you already copied, okay, like this one. So you don't need to put the pound sign. Okay, so let me do this for all of them real quick. Okay, and one more thing, for each of the item you can see we have the column ID option, okay, the input field as well as the comma. So you just put the comma here, and the second one, remove the pound sign and put the comma. Okay, let me put it, delete this, put the comma. Okay, the third one. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll get back once I complete this. Okay, so I added all the CSS ID. Okay, and one more thing, at the very last item, okay, you should not put the comma. Okay, this field should be empty. Okay, you can see here for each of the column ID we have added the column ID without the pound sign, and the second input field we added comma. Okay, so this is same for each of them. Okay, and only you don't need the comma for the very last one. Okay, so let me double check if I added everything properly. The first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, 6 7 8, yeah, so everything is done here. And now you can also just enable the auto scrolling mode, or you can disable it, okay, by using the true or false. Okay, true means the auto scrolling is enabled, false means the auto scrolling will be stopped. Okay, and then the number of default slides. Okay, so in this example here you can see we have 3 different slides, okay, by default. So if you want to change it 4 slides or 2 slides, whatever, then you can just put the number here and then slide to scroll. So each of the slides, how many elements will be scroll. Okay, so in this example you can see at once it scroll 1 slides, right? So you can, if you want to just move 2 slides, then you can just put the number, and the speed in milliseconds. Okay, by default it's 2 seconds, which means 2000 milliseconds, but if you want to add more delay or less, then you can customize that. And then the arrow icon size, you can change this, and also the arrow color. Okay, let's see, let me show you. Yeah, here is, you can see we have a little arrow at the left and right side of the slider. So if you want to change the color or increase the size, then you can also do this here. Okay, so in this example I will keep everything default. Okay, and then all I just need to select the domain. Okay, so if you are already GHL Code Snippets user, then you know how we can add the domain. But if you are new, then all you just need to go back to the domain section from the left navigation and then add your domain. Okay, so it's pretty easy. And then go back here, and then after everything is just completed, all the configuration, then all you just need to select the domain. So in this case I'm going to select GHL SaasKits as my domain, and then after that just copy this button to get your code. Okay, so I'm just doing this, and now so let me put the code here first. Yeah, here is the code. Let me delete the previous one, and here is my new code. And one more thing you need to do, just go back here, and you can see here we are using actually the sleek slider. So you need to add this code into the header of your page. Okay, so just copy this from here, and then go back to your page editor. Okay, open the tracking code, and then paste this code into the header tracking area. Okay, because this is actually the dependency of sleek slider. So let me click this, okay, publish button, and then I will preview it and see if everything goes well. Then we should have the working slider. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, you can see our slider is fully working. So one more thing we need to do for our page. Okay, we added the slider within the code here. Okay, but these are the cards that we designed into our GoHighLevel page. So what we are going to do, we are going to just hide all this from our page. Okay, because we already have the code, and code will show the slider, so we need to hide this from our page. So how you can do this, I'll just go to the layer section. Okay, and click the layer page, and then here is the section. Inside the section we have all the columns, right? So yeah, here is all the columns. So I'm going to just hide this. Okay, just click hide, and do the same for all of them. Okay, hide them, and the third column also hidden. Okay, so now let me publish it again, and then I will preview it. Okay, so you can see even though we already added the slider, but our actual page element is visible, so we don't need to do that. That's why we just need to hide all of them, and then let me preview it. Okay, yeah, here is it. So our slider is fully working. Okay, and it's perfect, and it's also responsive as per the GoHighLevel page elements. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.